Thursday night. Stephanie, with the clicks, her and I, I'm going to show you something I have not taught, at least myself. I haven't taught this in a long time. Not because I don't like it, just because I got a billion things in my head. This is something really cool. Simply put, it's a rib chaser. What are you doing, leaders? You're using your rib to turn your fall up. It's pretty cool. Hope you like it. Now, how to get into it? You can get into it various different ways. But after a sugar push connection, you just want to switch hands with your follower in a handshake hold. However you want to do that, your call. For the class's sake, we did a sugar push, and then when we were done, we just switched hands in right to right. Walk her forward towards you, 1, 2, guys move off the track to your right. 1, 2, that's a double prep, to her right, full turn to her left, triple step, picking up her left hand with mine. So we're going to go this direction. I've already switched hands, so 1, 2, put your hand out so she can put it into your left hand, okay? So then from here, we're going to do the follower full turn. So we'll stop after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's the key, okay? What you're doing is, after you do that first 3 and 4 connection, it goes right into the next part. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stephanie's on her right foot, I'm on my left. You're going to take just her left hand. She does a full turn to her right, do a triple step. Triple step. Place her hand on your rib. You can do it maybe a little bit lower, maybe on your hip, okay, or your rib. Somewhere where she feels the connection, because from that point on, you're not holding any hands of hers. So it's a quick turn for her. So after we do 3 and 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, I pull it over, and then I put it onto my rib. Now I do my triple step, and I'm turning, I raise my left arm just so it gets out of her way, so she can do this. So this direction. Full turn here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, full turn to there. So if you just rotate around, just place it right there, okay? And what she needs to do is push off of that rib to finish her 2 triples. So it looks like this, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So she needs to know, she wants to continue down that track. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, create the momentum forward for her. That 3 and 4, to get to the rib, but then she's got to keep going. So guys, what you need to do is after you get to the rib, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm turn my back to her. If I turn towards her, she may assume to go the other direction. I want to make sure the clear point is to go down the track, okay? So I'll go front to back here. So after she does her triples, I do my triples in place. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Pick up her right down my left. Hope you like this. Give us a like. Give us a thumbs up. She checks. She's passionate about it. I don't care about it. Actually, I do. I really care about it. But she cares more. So do it for Steph. All right? So the whole thing, after a sugar push, 3 and 4, right to right, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Other direction, since she's already on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. And then last time towards the camera, I've already switched hands. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. It's a really cool move. It's a traveling move. You got to use your rib. You got to put her hand on your rib. Not to be creepy, but it's the connection you only have to use. So thank you. Thank you. Hope you like it, guys. It's been a long time, few years since I've ever brought that back. It was due. So hope you use it, whether you compete, whether you social dance, just starting out, videos are there for you. Please use them. That's why we do it. Until next time, have a great week. And always remember,
keep dancing.
I wasn't sure that time.